Gusto mo ba lumago ang negosyo mo? Paano ko ang solusyon is bawasan ang clients mo. If you're gonna see here, this is the before and this is the after. You can literally 5 times your business without acquiring new customers. Here's how, no? So, etong blue represents your top 20% customers. And etong red represents your 80% of your customers. Now, if you know the Pareto principle, 80% of your revenue comes from 20% lang of your clients. Meaning, sa small percentage of this client, no, this is generating 80% of the revenue. Now, the problem is, we keep on getting more clients and we think that that's the solution. Now, the problem is when we get more clients, overhead expense increases, variable cost increases kasi we have to fulfill those clients. Now, what if I tell you there is a way to 5 times your income without increasing employee count, overhead expenses, and more, no? Here's how you do it. So, etong top 20%, this is your top 20% of your clients. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to identify what are the patterns. What's the word? Patterns of this top 20% of your clients, no? Ibig sabihin, possible na puro parang mga lalaki. Possible na may specific reason pala sila na bakit sila bumibili sa offer mo. For example, we're helping a health clinic right now and we notice na yung mga nasa PCOS is yung nasa red. Ibig sabihin, low-value clients. Pero yung mga related in terms of cardiovascular conditions is yun yung mga top 20%. So, kumbaga, instead of just running ads and targeting everyone, why don't we focus on the top 20%? For example, in this case, in the health clinic that we're helping, is mga cardiovascular conditions, okay? So, you want to identify what are the patterns of this top 20%, and then you want to use that in your marketing, okay? So, what ends up happening is this blue now becomes your entire business, no? So, the solution is you eliminate the red and then attract more of the blue. Does that make sense? You attract more of the 20%. So now the 20% of your clients becomes 100%. And just like that, you 5 times your business. And here's the best part. You do not need to acquire more customers. The same number of customers pa rin, pero more quality clients lang. And all we did is identify the patterns and use those patterns in targeting during our messaging in our content and in our ads. My name is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content like this, follow me for more.